What amazing weather today! I don't want to sit at home and do nothing. I know! Let's go to the park! I am ready to go to the park. Wonder what's inside my backpack? Well, let me show you. I've got a sandwich. I am always hungry. A bottle of water. It's really important to stay hydrated. I've got some cookies. There's always time for a snack. A peach. Peaches are really healthy. Oops, and I almost forgot. I've got seed. No, it isn't for me. It's for the birds in the park. There are a lot of birds. We can feed them and watch them. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you ready to go to the park with me? Yes! Let's go. Wow! I love the park. It's my favorite place. Let's see if we can find the perfect spot to have our picnic. That's the perfect spot to have our picnic. What's that sound? Look! This is a woodpecker. Wow! It picks trees to get food, to build a nest, and to talk to other woodpeckers. What do you think this little buddy wants to tell the other birds? Perhaps it has discovered a large number of insects and is inviting the others to join it for lunch. Talking about lunch, I am hungry. I am in the mood for my peach. Well, hello, Mr. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. In the past, pigeons were used to deliver mails. Imagine how long it took to receive a message from a friend. It was like, let's go to the park, and 2 weeks later, let's... Do you want my peach? Wow! It left without saying thank you. How rude! Hey, little fellow. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are not water birds, but they can swim very fast. Are you hungry, buddy? I have something for you. Seed. Here you go. Bon appetit. Bye-bye. We should go too. How about a stroll through the park? Are you in? Yes. Let's go. Where does that sound come from? It's right there. This is a robin. It is a very early bird. It starts singing its beautiful songs early in the morning before the sun comes up. Hey Robin, you sing very beautifully. We at Novakid also like to sing. You should join us someday, okay? There are birds that live next to water, seas and rivers. Look, it's a gull. They eat fish and other sea creatures. But if they find a place next to people, they never leave and wait for people to feed them. Oh, I have some cookies. Here you go, gull. Catch. I often come to the riverside and feed gulls. You should do it too, if there are rivers where you live. Oh, There are swallows. People say if a swallow flies low, it's going to rain. Hey, swallow, watch out! Oh, I think they are right. It's going to rain. Quick, let's go home. Wow, we ran really fast. The rain didn't ruin our mood, right? We had so much fun. Today we saw a woodpecker, a pigeon, a sparrow, a robin, a gull, and a swallow. Can you remember the sound each bird made? Let's see. I used my phone to record the sounds of the birds while I was at the park. Let's listen to them together and guess the bird. Yes! Here we go. This one is easy, right? A woodpecker. Good job. The next one. The mailman. A pigeon. Perfect. A very fast swimmer. Right. That's a sparrow. Oh, what a beautiful song. It also has a cute orange chest. A robin. Wow, well done. Sounds like they're fighting. White fish eaters. A gull. Good job. If this bird flies low, it means it's going to rain. Yes, a swallow. Amazing. You were able to recognize all the birds. Well done. I have an idea. Let's go bird watching in the forest next time. Are you in? Yes. Yes. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.